Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your legal knowledge with Harvard Law step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current legal knowledge and identifying specific areas you wish to improve. Research the various online programs offered by Harvard Law School. Visit the Harvard Law School website to explore their course offerings. Consider enrolling in one of their online certificate programs for a structured learning experience. Choose a course that aligns with your goals, such as contracts, intellectual property, or negotiation. Create a study schedule that incorporates regular time for coursework and review. Engage with course materials, including videos, readings, and case studies provided by the faculty. Participate in online discussions and forums to connect with fellow students and share insights. Take advantage of supplementary resources such as legal databases and current legal publications. Utilize Harvard Law's library resources, if available, for additional research and learning materials. Set achievable milestones to track your progress throughout the course. Seek feedback from instructors or peers on your assignments to enhance your understanding. Network with professionals in the field through Harvard's alumni connections and events. Consider attending virtual workshops and seminars to deepen your knowledge and skills. Reflect on your learning by writing summaries or analyses of the concepts covered in the course. Apply your newfound knowledge in practical scenarios, such as internships or simulations. Stay updated with recent legal developments by following relevant Harvard Law publications and blogs. Revisit the course materials periodically to refresh your understanding and retain information. Continue your legal education by exploring additional courses or advanced topics at Harvard Law. Maintain a commitment to lifelong learning to keep your legal knowledge current and relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.